Now, the global tariff war escalated this week as US President Donald Trump imposed sweeping 25% tariffs on steel and aluminium imports, further fueling tensions. The move, part of Donald Trump's broader trade strategy, has sparked immediate backlash from key trade partners, including the EU, China and Canada. As retaliations loom, countries like the UK and Australia have expressed their concern. DD India's Mihir Makri has more.
The global tariff war escalated further on Wednesday as sweeping 25% tariffs on all steel and aluminum imports imposed by US President Donald Trump came into effect. This move marks the latest chapter in Trump's broader tariff strategy designed to even out perceived trade imbalances and revive domestic industries.
The tariffs are having a tremendously positive impact. They will have, and they are having. We have car companies that are not building in Mexico now. They're building in the United States. Some of them, the plants were already started and they stopped construction, and now they're going to build in the United States.
Trump's decision was met with immediate and fierce backlash from two of Washington's biggest trade partners, China and the European Union. Both vowed to retaliate, asserting their intent to defend their economic interests in response to the new tariffs.
As the United States are applying tariffs worth $28 billion, we are responding with countermeasures worth 26 billion euros. Our countermeasures will be introduced in two steps, starting with April 1st and fully in place as of April 13th.
In the UK, Prime Minister Keir Starmer expressed disappointment over Trump's latest tariffs, adding that the government would consider all options in response.
On the question of tariffs, obviously, like everybody else, I'm disappointed to see global tariffs in relation to steel and aluminium. But we will take a pragmatic approach. We are, as he knows, negotiating an economic deal which covers and will include tariffs if we succeed, but we will keep all options on the table.
Australia, another key US ally, also condemned the tariffs as not a friendly act, although it refrained from imposing any reciprocal tariffs. After initially announcing plans to double tariffs on steel and aluminum imports from Canada to 50%, Trump reversed his decision on Tuesday, sparking confusion in the financial markets. The shift followed a similar retreat by a Canadian official who had previously considered imposing a 25% surcharge on electricity exports from Ontario to the United States. Canada also announced additional tariffs on $20.7 billion worth of US goods, including computers and sports equipment, in retaliation against American levies on Canadian steel and aluminum. These Canadian tariffs will come into effect on Thursday. The imposition of steel and aluminum tariffs presents a risky gamble. While it could provide a boost to America's domestic industries, it may simultaneously increase costs for manufacturers who rely on these materials, potentially raising prices for consumers. Mihir Makri's report for DD India.